We have yet another price change from Tesla, the 11th of the year if I count right. This time a $250 bump up on the Tesla Model Y basic trim. All Model Ys are all-wheel drive, and some interesting points have emerged lately in its comparison with the Model 3. The basic Model Y trim has been at a hair's breadth difference with the Model 3 long range. That difference, which had come down to $250 recently, is now up to $500 after the change this morning. So for that extra cost, those needing a bigger car with higher seating and capacity have a good option to consider. Since all Teslas are now eligible for the full $7,500 federal tax credit, it's just got a bit easier to compare. Worth remembering though that when thinking of the same, both the EV bought and the buyer need to be eligible. State tax credits and incentives differ among states and need to be individually checked. The point of this video is the comparison of the particular Model 3 and Model Y options. The Model 3 long range and the Model Y basic trim, which are both all-wheel drive. The basic trim of the Model Y is most likely the LFP battery and hence will be having a daily charge limit of 100% against the 90% for the NCM battery likely in the Model 3 long range. Much like the Model 3 rear-wheel drive, the extra 10% thus offers an extra 20 to 30 miles of range and cuts the difference between a higher trim on that count. The long range in most Teslas offer the highest range of the given models. In any case, keeping in mind the excellent charging infrastructure of Tesla, I personally believe that range is now a redundant measure with diminishing significance, especially with cars that charge easily and fast. So for those considering to buy a Tesla, just as most of the year has been a great one, particularly after the price reductions from the heights of last year, this new Model Y option at its basic trim I think offers great value. Following are some aspects to look into both on these models in terms of use capacities and notably physical differences, as in terms of driving and software they are quite similar. The Model 3 long range offers a range of 315 plus miles, where the Model Y basic trim offers over 269 miles. This difference is significant, but could be narrower in the real world based on the higher daily charging limit of the LFP battery. The performance parameters of the Model 3 of top speed and the 0 to 60 surely outweigh the Model Y in this comparison. The dimensions, as you see, are quite similar, except the height where the Model Y is nearly 8 inches taller and hence offers the higher seating. And in the storage features, including the total cargo, the frunk, and the space behind row 2, the Model Y offers more value. I hope you like this video and it could narrow down your considerations based on what you seek in the Tesla you wish to buy.